Hi, today I'm going to share with you some tips which are going to help you if you are planning to give a presentation online, whether it's a webinar or an online meeting. Number one, walk it out. Walk around your house because it's not recommended that you go out during these corona times. You can do simple exercises of aerobics or yoga that keeps you activated, that keeps you energetic. Talk it out. Talk out your points in your subconscious mind. The main points, how you're going to begin, how you're going to carry on in the middle, and how you're going to end. So have that in your mind. And then also do some kind of face yoga, because online, when you are presenting, the entire focus is more on your face than on your body. So we will talk about body language also, but then we need to talk about the face because that's the focus. So you need to have some kind of exercises for your face. Use your knuckles and just do this around your eyebrows. Tap your cheeks gently, or do this kind of, use this, the two hands, and press like this in circular motion. And round your mouth, what you can do, make funny faces with your mouth. Take it this way, this way. Do any kind of movement around your mouth. This is going to help you have good flexible expressions. That's it. Then the next thing that you need to do is take care of the light, sound, and the background. Of course, when you are going to a live event where you need to present in an auditorium, these things don't matter because someone else is taking care of. But when you're speaking from your house, you need to take care of the light, sound, and the background. Certain things you don't have control. If a vegetable vendor passes by and shouts, I have no control over that when I'm recording this video for you. But certain things you have control. The lights you can control, the background you can control. So have an attractive background, and light should be on your face. The other thing that you need to take care of is that you need to have a good body posture, that is not slouching or slumping or looking down or head like this. It should be straight and looking at the camera, not looking at the audience, because if you start looking at the audience, none of them know whom you're looking at, and then they feel disengaged. So what you need to do is, when you have a laptop, you look at the dot on top. If you have a camera, then you look for the camera, where the camera is, which side, and then look at the camera. Then everyone feels engaged. They feel you're looking at them. The next thing that you need to take care of is the hand gestures. Not very visible online, but whatever is visible, try to use them because it gives you a sense of confidence. It gives you a sense of clarity also. The next point that I want to make over here is embrace your imperfections. We are not perfect human beings. So we might falter. There could be a technical glitch. There could be some point which you missed out and you want to take it up in the end. Just embrace it and smile it away with a quote or a phrase and express it. Audience connect to that. So these were the points that I wanted to share. I hope it will help you during the webinar and before the webinar also. All the best to each one of you. Bye-bye.